Okay, this is S3 English Language, Unit 1, Pop Life. Okay, these are vocabularies for Text 1 and Text 2. So first of all, I would like you to write down their parts of speech and also their meanings in Chinese. Okay, and I will say each word loudly and tell you how to tell the syllables and stress of each word. Okay, so first we have survey. Survey, this is the stress. Okay, and this is a noun. This is a noun, and this is the Chinese meaning of it. And next we have comics. Comics, and once again, the first one is the stress. The first one is the stress, and this is a noun, and comics means this. And then we have character. Character. Once again, the first syllable is the stress. Okay, and the part of speech is a noun, and the meaning is this. Next we have embarrassing. Embarrassing. Okay, now the stress is here, so we say embarrassing. Okay, and this is an adjective, and the Chinese meaning is this. And next we have situation. Situation. Okay, this is the stress here. This is the stress here. Alright, when we say this word in one complete form, the word A is actually lower sounds. Okay, so the whole word is situation. Situation. Okay. And this is childlike. Childlike. Now please remember, childlike is a positive word. Alright, now later on we will learn a negative word to tell if someone's always think like a child, if someone's always act like a child, then we should use another word. For this one, childlike is more positive. So the next one is cartoonist. Cartoonist. This is a stress. Okay, and this is a noun. It means people who draw comics. And then next we have, this is a big word, this is a difficult word in line 12 for text number 1. This is called idolize. Idolize. Okay, the word I is a stress here. The word I is a stress here. So idolize. It is a verb. That means you make someone like an idol. You worship that person. Okay. And 9 we have statue. Statue. And this is the stress, and this is a noun, and you see statue in many places. In fact, for example, outside the museum, outside some companies, like there are two lions, or there are two lions outside the HSBC center. Those are statues. And next we have the word attitude. Attitude. Once again, the first one is a stress, and then it is a noun, and it means this. And next we have a verb. Alright, and the sound of this word is emphasize. Emphasize. So once again, this is a stress, emphasize. Alright, and this is the meaning of this word. This is a very useful word. You can also use it in your writing. Okay, many of the time you can use this word in your writing. Now, number 12. Now please pay attention. Bump into. bumped into. We call this a phrasal verb. So when you use this word, you have to use into. And bump into, you can only bump into people. You can only bump into somebody. So don't say that I bump into a car or I bump into a shop. No, you cannot use that. Okay, so you must say you meet or you met somebody. And then now this is another word to tell people they think like a children, act like children. Okay, we call them childish. Now this time is quite negative. When you want to tell that is wrong, you shouldn't always think like a child. Okay, then you use childish. Alright, at last we have the word stand. Okay, and this is a verb. Now this has so many different meaning. So the one that we always understand when we tell people to stand up. Okay, now they are not equal. Okay, they are not equal. The stand here means this. Okay, in the reading text 2, we have already seen that sentence. Okay, I can't stand something. That means I cannot take this. Okay, but for the word stand up, that means you are sitting and I would like you to stand up, and just that. Okay, so this is for text 1 and text 2.